Let it snow.
Yes, let's do
Let it snow.
Let it snow.
What is it?
Let it snow.
Okay.
Where is it?
Last
Last page. Okay. Louis, we're going to sing Let It Snow.
He doesn't really care who's watching.
Wait a minute. Okay.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we have a place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the snow. Oops. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The heart is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye.